Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to my online geography class. Today our topic is interior of the earth. It's mean Zameen ki andruni saaht. So in the coming slides, I told you about the interior of the earth. Introduction. In this slide, I told you about the earth. This shape which is looking here is the shape of the earth. The earth is a large sphere with slight depression on poles and a slight bulge on the equator. Due to depression on poles and bulge on equator, it is generally called an oblate spheroid or oblique. The modern scholars studying the shape of the earth in more accurate manner called it a geoid. The temperature increases in the interior of the earth by 1 degree centigrade for every 32 meters. At this rate, the temperature at a depth of about 50 km will rise to 1200 to 2000 degrees centigrade. Depression mean like this and bulge mean like this. Depression mean अंदर को धंसी हुई and bulge mean बाहर को निकली हुई. And this slide describe in short way the shape of the earth. Layers of the earth. The seismic data collected over a period of time indicate that the earth is composed of a number of layers. Each of these layers has different composition and characteristics. Commonly, all scholars says that earth has three layers called crust, mantle and core. Swiss, an Australian geologist, has named them as a sial, sima and knife. These are the layers of the earth. First one, which is this is the crust, and many scholars say that this is like the peel of an apple or an orange. This is called crust, and the intermediate layer between the crust and the core is called the mantle, and this is here. And the innermost layer of the earth is called the core, and it is also divided into two parts, inner core and the outer core. Sial or crust. This is the uppermost layer of the earth and it is often called the crust. It has lowest density among all the layers of the earth. Density of this layer ranges between 2.75 gram per centimeter cube to 2.90 gram per centimeter cube. Thickness of this layer is greater on continents as compared to ocean bottom. Rocks like granite and gneiss predominated in this layer. The thickness of the layer varies from 20 to 50 km. It will be more at continent or under the mountains, and it will be very low on the ocean bottom. The lower limit of the crust is a discontinuity layer called the Mohorovic discontinuity or MOHO. And this is the uppermost layer which is called the crust, and there will be an other layer which is known as the lower limit or the lower part of the crust, and its name is called the Mohorovic discontinuity or MOHO because the founder of its name was Moho. Sima or mantle. This is the intermediate layer extending below the sial layer. This layer, often called the mantle, the principal elements of this layer are silica and magnesium. Density of this layer is 2.90 gram centimeter cube to 4.75 gram per centimeter cube. This layer is often divided into upper mantle and lower mantle. Depth of upper mantle is 50 to 700 km, and the depth of the lower mantle is 2900 km. The lower limit of the crust is a discontinuity layer called the Oldham or Gutenberg discontinuity knife or core. This is the innermost layer of the earth This layer, often called the core, the principal elements of this layer are ferrous and nickel. Density of this layer is 12 gram per centimeter cube. This layer is often divided into outer core and inner core. Depth of inner core is 2900 to 5000 and 150 km. The inner core behave like solid and outer core behave like liquid. This was very short and the easy description of the interior of the earth. Inshallah, this topic will be clear all of you. We will meet with a new topic.